Hello everyone, so Tito want to share with you something really interesting. Should governments provide free housing for people who can't afford it? Well, housing is obviously a basic human right. Everyone deserves a safe place to live, right? But the big question is, should it be free to everyone? Personally, I think partly yes and partly no. Let me explain why. First of all, let's look at the bright side about it. If the government provides free housing, it can make society much safer. Think about it. Fewer homeless people means fewer crimes, fewer social problems, and cleaner streets. When people have a place to stay, you don't have to steal or struggle just to survive. And it's not just about safety, it's also about equality. Everyone deserves a minimum standard of living. Actually, some countries like Singapore or Scandinavian nations already supports their citizens with subsidized housing, and it works really well. But on the other hand, it's not that simple. Building free houses for everyone sounds really amazing, honestly, until you realize how expensive it is. The government would need billions of dollars, and that money comes from our taxes. Plus, land isn't unlimited. In crowded countries, it's just impossible to be enough houses for all citizens. And even if they could, how do you decide to deserve the free housing? That could lead to unfairness or even conflict in society. Another, another thing is giving people free houses doesn't automatically end poverty. You still need to pay for food, for healthcare, for education. Sometimes they'll cost even more than the rent. And if everything is provided for free, some people might lose motivations for work and improve themselves. That's why I believe the better solution is for the government is offer partial support, like affordable houses projects, rent subsidize, or job creations program. That way, people still have to put in effort, but they get real practical help when needed. So to wrap it up, housing should definitely be a basic right, basic human right. But giving it completely free for everyone, it's not realistic. Instead, governments should have partially, so that the system is fair, balanced, and sustainable in the long run. So, what do you think? Should housings be a right that's fully free or just supported by the government? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Goodbye.